All right, so if you were absent from school and you didn't get a chance to work on Newton's laws practice, this video will help you. You will be able to answer these questions using the PowerPoint, and I will do question number 7 with you. All right, so question number 7, you push a 12-kilogram box across the floor with the force of 10 newtons. The floor is very rough, so the box accelerates at 0.500 meters per second squared. What is the force of friction acting on the box? Best way to get this started is to draw a picture, especially as we get into free body diagrams. So I'm going to draw a box. It is on a rough floor. It is being pushed across the floor with a force of 10 newtons. I don't care what direction this is going, but I'm going to say, okay, 10 newtons. Maybe it's going to the right. There is a friction force acting on the block. So this is, I'm going to call FF, force of friction. It's my push force. And the box accelerates at 0.5 meters per second squared. This acceleration tells me what the net force is. According to Newton's second law, the net force on an object is equal to its mass, times the object's acceleration. If I get the net force is the resulting sum of my force of friction and this 10 Newton force of push. So my F net is a combination of these two forces. One force is the push force, and it goes to the right. And one force is the force of friction, and it goes the opposite direction. So if I need the force of friction, I can add it to both sides of my net force equation. I have F net plus force of friction equals 10. And then I can subtract the net force from both sides of the equation. So F net, so the force of friction, FF, force of friction, will equal the 10 newtons of push minus F net. So let's calculate F net, and then we can get our force of friction. F net is mass times the overall acceleration of the object. The object has a mass of 12 kilograms times an acceleration of 0.500 meters per second squared. The net force is 12 times 0.5, which is 6. 6 newtons is the F net. So I can plug this 6 newtons in. 10 minus 6 newtons, the force of friction, is 4 newtons. All right, hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and study well.